Start with this question from a paper 2, so this is with calculator. It says Farmer Bill owns a rectangular field, so let's draw that out, and it is 10 meters by 4 meters. So let's just label that smaller side 4, and then the larger side 10. Does not need to be to scale. And then Bill attaches a rope to a post at one corner, so let's make it this corner. So here's the post, and attaches the other end to his goat Gruff. So the rope is 5 meters long, which means that Gruff can go 5 meters away from this post. So here's halfway in on the side, so 5 meters, and then he can go along a circle of 5, it's not really circular, until he reaches this point. So it kind of looks like this, and then from there he can kind of wander around all of this area. So I'm not really sure if you can see that this is supposed to look like a semicircle. Well, not a semicircle, it's actually a sector of a circle, right? We don't know what this angle is, let's just call this theta. And it's asking for the percentage of the field that Gruff can graze on. So Gruff can graze on anything in this portion. He cannot graze here. His rope is not long enough to graze here. Oops. Okay, so the total area of the entire field would be 10 by 4, so that would be 40 meters squared. So what portion of 40 can Gruff graze on? So first we're going to find this area. So the area of this triangle, this is a right angle triangle because it's a rectangular field. His Gruff's, what is it, leash? The rope is 5 meters. So let's make that 5. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, if you remember those Pythagorean triples. If not, you can always use the Pythagorean theorem on that. So the area of the triangle is half base times height. So that's going to be 1/2. The base is 3, and your height is 4. So the area of the triangle is 6. Okay, let's do the area of the semicircle. The area of the semicircle, why do I always call it a semicircle? It's a sector of a circle. So the area of the sector of the circle is, remember your formulas from your sector areas. So that is 1/2 theta r squared, right? Theta here can actually be found using this information. So this theta, this is also going to be 4. If we drew this as another triangle, we can see that theta is going to be the inverse of sine of your opposite, which is 4, over hypotenuse, which is 5. And your radius of that sector is 5. So you got 5 squared. And plugging that into your calculator, let me see, I'm just going to round it to 5.9. Why not? Let's keep going. 1.1. So that's the area of the sector, and your area of your triangle, that is the portion that Gruff can graze on. So the percentage is going to equal, so therefore percent can equal the area of the sector plus the area of the triangle, so let's just add those two together, 17.5911 divided by the total area of the field. Okay, so that percent, it says round to the nearest integer. So if we were to put that as a percentage, it would be 44%.